How can there be the end of the bull market if the market is pumping, Fefe? Look at this. I missed all these 2% pumps. I didn't want to do an update today, but I'm going to do one because I think it's relevant. It's going to be a very short one. But as you know, I said the bull market is over. I gave you my exact plan last week. If you haven't watched that, go and watch it. We're going to put it up there. And I just want to say something super important. The bull market doesn't end like, that's it, and then it's end of the bull market. It ends in a very slow trajectory. Hopefully it ends and it doesn't start nuking. But if you look at what I said in that video, that this is the end of the crypto bull market, and if you actually took the time and looked at it, at 8 minutes, 48 seconds, I said that this is the recovery that I expect to happen, which will trap everyone. That recovery is 30% from the current levels. 15%, sorry. So for us to, but from down here it was like 20 something. Yeah, 23%. For us to go all the way back up here to this daily OB, which is going to reject, in my opinion, it is a 22% recovery on the total market cap, which would be probably 30, 40, 50, 70% of some of the coins. That still doesn't mean that the bull market is intact. So what I'm looking at, and I also said this here in the video, is that, and in the private community, there's a link in the description, is that I am going to long this retrace once I see an opportunity. And yesterday I shared some shorts and I have added to my short positions. Why? Because of this, because of the exact same reason that I posted in the community. Is because this here is a bearish order block. It's not as strong as the one above, but I do think that this is sufficient enough to reject. These are two major rejection levels. Like, there has to be a retrace from these levels, or again, as I said previously, either we break through, and if we break through here as the beginning on the 1 hour chart, and then break through this as the 4 hour chart, which is, if I look at, I don't think we're gonna come up all the way here, but it's like 4% difference, which is nothing. But if we break through those levels, then yeah, then I'm going to look at a long, and I'm going to long these levels because that is the potential of the reversals happening. But I don't see that so far. So now we do have a close above here, which is a great indication on the hourly chart. But there are no 3 consecutive candles here. So this level, although I think it's a decent level, there is no V-shaped recovery. So there is elevator down, stairs up. I usually say what? Yes, that it's a horrible idea to touch these because you always want to be on the elevator. But also there is no V-shaped recovery. So there is nothing that's confirming that we're going to go higher. Can we? Yes. All the way up here. We can trap people here, all the way up here, and then reject from here. But I ultimately think that until we have at least a V-shaped recovery after a flush, for example, flush and liquidity like this and like this, I am not interested in longing. But because of the built-up liquidity, the retrace into the higher time frame supply zones, I am short. And I said this as well, posted in the community. I do have a BNB short. It's up 8%. I have an ADA short at 13%. And I have a Doge short at, I don't know, break even. And I have the Bitcoin long, which I left open. So these are my positions. I'm expecting the retrace. If we close above here at 3.76, I am going to take the long position as well and ride this up all the way to this level. Some of the coins can really go, so this is why it's interesting. And also it's very important to know that I have left all my bots open, and the reason is because I do believe that a retrace is coming, and the bots are working pretty decently. So as you see, these bots were down massively, and they are recovering their positions, they are working, they are buying, selling exactly in these chops. This is what the bots made for. You can copy them if you want. There's a $1,000 sign-up bonus if you think that's something cool. Go and check that out. There's a link in the description, and also join into the community if you want to. But if you don't want to, just don't join in. If you come with negativity and hate and all that, just leave it for yourself. Otherwise, join in. Check this video. It's going to be the end of the bull market video. It's super important. Watch it if you haven't. And this is going to be the subscribe button. See you in the next one. Take care.